to our Deputy Administrator, Professor Florencia L. Capillan, to the faculty members of College of Agriculture, to my fellow students from CA Department, and to the viewers, good day to all of you. This Acceptance 2020 combined with the Christmas party through virtual with the theme, Physically Distanced, Virtually Connected, New Normal of College of Agriculture, gives excitement to every student of this department. Ginamit muli ang talentong LSPU1s ng mga taong nasa likod ng programang ito. This pandemic is not hindrance para magkaroon ng bonding and fun activities ng bawat isa. Sa aming mga nakababatang kapatid, freshmen of CA, sana ay maging memorable ang araw na ito para sa inyo. Ito yung daan upang magkakilanlan, maramdaman ninyo na kayo ay kasama na sa pamilya ng College of Agriculture. And welcome to LSPU family. President Lloyd Batalier at sa iyong SBO officers, sa inyong advisors, sa buong CA family. Congratulations to all of you. Muli, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. God bless to all of you.